afternoon everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate the activity soil as a filter. For this I have taken a plastic glass in which I have punctured 5 holes. This will act as a container for the multani mitti oblique clay soil. I have taken a glass which will act as a container for the purified water. I have taken 100 grams of multani mitti which will act as a filter. I have also taken 1 glass of dirty water which I will purify. Now let us do the process. Firstly, we will take this plastic container and place it in the glass. Next, we will take the multani mitti and pour it in the plastic container. Lastly, we will take the impure water and pour it through the filter. And now let's wait for it to drain. As you can see, the water is slowly moving down the natural filter. As you can see, filtration is a very slow process. This is exactly the reason why the water gets cleaned. The water has finally drained out in the glass. As you can see, the water is much clearer than what we had put. So, we can conclude that multani mitti oblique clay is a very good filter. This is because the grains of the clay are very close to each other, so they don't allow the large impurities to pass through them. Thank you.